Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss is my new deal of a rent-to-rent property that literally took me only 3 days to get. But before I get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Okay guys, so listen, this whole new video is going to be something different. I know you guys are going to love it because I literally documented every single thing. So for me, beginning of me meeting the actual landlord with the deal, negotiated on the phone, to me actually setting up the property, going to the property, making sure to see everything and so on. And so guys, you're going to see everything step by step. And the reason why I put this together is because I want to show you guys that you can do rent to rent. Rent to rent is not illegal. Literally, all you're doing is becoming a property manager, managing someone's property and making at least profit of 400 plus. Literally, that is all you're doing. So what I'm going to do now is you're going to see a quick segment of literally everything, me asking the landlord why did he give me the acceptance to do rent to rent with it, him explaining to him to you guys basically why, and just to show you guys that you can do anything you put your mind to. And yes, the property itself, the location is in Liverpool, and the reason why I decided to do up Liverpool once again is because my other two properties are there. So I just thought to myself, let me just get more in Liverpool, why not? So yeah, so guys, check out this quick segment of me just documenting everything, and then we're gonna come back. All right guys, check it out. Hi guys, so what you're going to see today is something different. Starting from now, this is going to be a little blog on just my rent-to-rent deal that by the grace of God I'm going to close literally tomorrow. So I'm recording this now, so then once everything's closed and everything's done and happy to go with, all contracts are signed, then I will share this video with everyone. But yeah, literally guys, I've been looking, I'm no word of a lie, I've been looking for only 3 days. And this is why when people are like, oh, you know, it's hard to find and blah, 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 it's not hard to find. You see, my work ethic is very, very strong and very, very good. It's a thing where I need to know, yeah, that I have put myself out there making calls. I've been making calls non-stop for 3 days. People knowing who I am on the market, people knowing that I do rent to rent. Found a guy, he was happy. He actually had 2 properties, but this specific property was off market. It's not on the market yet, which is amazing. And you know, I told him this is what I do. He was open to it, did a bit of negotiating. And so literally what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you these segments. It will be a done deal. So I'm so excited just to document this and show you guys that you can do it. You can do whatever you put your mind to. Don't let no one tell you that you can't. Hi guys, I'm currently out now. I'm on my way to the rent-to-rent property that I'm wanting to make my deal on. So literally, as I say, I'm documenting everything. Once I get there, I'll come back onto this video to show you more about it. But yeah, honestly, I'm excited and I'm happy that I'm documenting this so you guys can see that this is real. Like, this is not fake, it is real. Okay guys, and just to show you that anyone can do it. Don't ever think that you can't. All right? Okay, bye. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the before in this video so you can see how it was. This is an off-market property, by the way. Literally, the people that lived there, they literally left 2 weeks ago. So you're going to look at the before, and then next week we're going to see the after. So look at the before, and then after you're going to look at the after next week.
I had a couple of friends based in Liverpool.
Guys, so I'm currently in my rent-to-rent property at the moment, and the landlord is here, but he doesn't want to be seen, so we respect his privacy. But I'm just going to ask the question, how come you gave me your property for rent-to-rent strategy?
I think primarily because when we spoke on the phone, you seem like an honest and decent person. And I was intrigued that, I'm hearing a young person who wants to rent a property and add some value to it. And also at the same time, I can pay my bills, and I think you're going to create some happy tenants and create a good home. So I figured, I'll give it a shot.
Thank you so much, guys. You heard it for yourself. You could do anything but your mind to. Bye. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that segment of literally me going to the property, me speaking to the landlord explaining to me why he said yes. And guys, I just want to show you this just because you guys could do anything you put your mind to. And the thing is, not once asked for credit check, not once asked for pay slips, none of that, honestly. It all depends once again on the landlord, and also it depends on you negotiating with them as well. And this is why I've created my mastermind, because my mastermind shows you every single thing you need to know from A to Z to where to invest. Because guys, with just rent-to-rent itself, you can make so much money from that, so much money from it. And rent-to-rent literally gives you that freedom, because let's say you have, for example, 20 houses. Your goal is to have 20 houses of rent-to-rent this year, yeah? And you're making at least profit of 500. Just roughly calculating, you're making 6K a month. 6K a month. Do you know how much money you can save from that? And then use that money to then go get yourself property with a buy-to-let. In my mastermind, I teach you everything from A to Z. Where to get the properties, where's the best places to invest in, and everything in between that. And also, I actually teach in my mastermind how to get property without money down. And I know you guys might be thinking, can you do that? Yes, you can. And this is what I'm trying to say. Knowledge is really power. And so guys, I hope you loved today. Please make sure you comment down below. Tell me what you thought. And also make sure you add me on Instagram. It's Oniru. And once again, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. Okay guys, up here, click this next video, and what you're going to see is I'm just going to tell you the steps of once yet we know how long it took, and also what is it that I done to even get this? Where do you find these people? Okay guys, so once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.